Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. So make sure your knees are getting sore and burnt so that the posture is effective on your back and onto your thighs. Stay in this posture for quite a few breaths, and once you're ready, gently inhale and stand up tall and nice and relax. Or revolved chair pose. In this posture, we are basically going to involve our spine movement as well. So it's going to be with a twist. So let's move on to the posture. Now begin to sit in chair pose, but this time place your torso completely onto your thighs by extending your arms all the way forward, and place your palms really wide and nice and onto the mat so that you gain some balance. And once you're ready, just bring your left elbow onto the right side of your thigh so that you create a nice twist onto your spine by bringing your arms together in Namaste position. Now to release the posture, bring your palms down to the mat and extend your arms all the way forward by placing your torso again onto your thighs. And slowly as you inhale, bring your arms up and your spine straight as you stand up tall and nice and relax.
Today we're going to see Uttita Parsvakonasana. To get into the asana, step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 to 5 distance apart, and your left foot slightly inside. Keep the pelvis neutral. As you exhale, lean into the right hip joint, making your thigh parallel to the floor. Take your right hand outside of your right foot. Roll your shoulder blade down the back, extending your arm over your head. Look at your left arm and hold this pose for at least 5 to 6 slow and deep breaths. And to come out, inhale and press your back heel strongly into the floor, and repeat to the left for the same length and time. If you can't reach to the floor with your right hand, you can press your fingertips to the floor and go to the asana. Pose teaches you how to stabilize your legs while you open and expand the sides of your rib cage. It also strengthens and tones your muscles.
Hold it here for a moment. We're going to take it to a downward dog. Start by coming on the toes, and then inhale, just hover the knees off the mat. Push with your hands, lift your tailbone up and push away from the hands. So the shoulders are moving away from the wrist, and then the legs are nice and straightened. It might be difficult for you to get the heels down, no problem. Just keep the heels up as much as you can. Don't compromise on the length of the back. So avoid this position with the shoulders coming forward and the spine is not really getting a good stretch here. Rather than that, just push back with the hands and keep the knees bent. This is a much better position than that, so it will really lengthen out the back. And now let's start walking out the dog. So bend one knee towards the chest, other knee towards the chest. Keep going. One knee in, other knee in. For 5. Inhale one side, exhale other side. 4. Try to really slow down the breath. Breath should be the most important part of the practice. 2. And 1. Now let's bend both knees together at the same time. So inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. As much as you can, try to straighten. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Good. 3 more times. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, straighten the knees. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. One more time. Inhale, bend. Exhale, straighten. Just hold it here for a breath. The gaze is right at the knees or the thighs, or if it's even possible, you can try to look towards the navel. Just one deep breath in, one deep breath out, and let's take some rest. Balasana, child's pose. bring the head down, release the hands, let the hands relax.